Is Gene Allen, and this is our first video on PCI and FileSure. This is basic auditing, so we're going to cover section 10.2.1 and section 10.3.x, and that tells you what data is going to be. So on this machine here, we actually have FileSure installed. So we have Quickbooks installed. So the Quickbook files are actually stored on the hard drive in a public folder under users. We've set up, well actually I'll just show you this way. So we'll start FileSure up. And if we look at the rules management, the audit, there it is. Auditing rule, record access to QuickBook data. I guess that really should be QuickBooks. No, it's my QuickBook data. And all we're going to do is watch *QBW files for all users. If they create it, delete it, rename them, if they change security, or if they read or write the files for hard drives. So we're going to watch somebody when they do something to it. In fact, we're going to add removable drives just because in my demonstration right now, I'm going to copy a QuickBook file because the QuickBooks file directly to a pen drive. So let's find it. I think it's under public and into it. And I'm going to copy everything because they might be, maybe there's something else in there that's important. So copy and paste. I don't think it's going to take 13 minutes or 5 minutes. There we go. You can see right here that FileSure has already picked up all the changes. It picked up the reads and the writes to the pen drive. So that is actually everything that it should be doing according to 10.3.x. There's all sorts of things in here. So let's go through and take a look at the data. This is the real-time file activity for FileSure, picking up the access to the credit card, the QuickBooks files, which has credit card information in it. So let's go through and see if we have some data. So let's go over to the forensic screens, and this is going to be so obviously So since we recorded it, that's 10.2.1. So let's go ahead and look at the data and make sure that we have everything that we need in there. So we're just going to say for the previous hour, show it to me. And there's the actual information. Now there's a few things that you have to pick up. For instance, who did it? That's the user. What happened? It was created for read and write. What was the file that was actually of interest, and what date and time? FileSure goes one step further, and it tells you what program was used and what kind of drive type it was. And of course, all this stuff is stored in an audit log, and it's there forever and a day. You can print this stuff out. You can export it. You can do whatever you want. But that's the basic requirements for 10.2.1 and 10.3.x, and the rule is real straightforward. Watch all access to these files for those users doing these things. As you can see, it's really easy to do.